Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Constant Contact to LinkedIn for campaign scheduling. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Constant Contact to LinkedIn for campaign scheduling, start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Integrations option on the main menu. Click on Integrations to view the available connections. In the Integrations section, find LinkedIn and click on it. You will see an option that says Connect to LinkedIn. Click this button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and authorize Constant Contact to access your account. Once connected, you will return to the Constant Contact interface. Next, select the email campaign you want to schedule. In the campaign settings, look for the social media sharing options. You will see LinkedIn as a platform where you can share your campaign. Click on the LinkedIn option to customize your post. Add any additional text you want to accompany your campaign link. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct. Schedule your campaign by choosing the desired date and time. After setting the schedule, confirm the LinkedIn share option is enabled. Finally, save your settings and exit the campaign setup. Your campaign is now scheduled to be shared on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.